Hey everybody, here we're going to do the problem 9/10 take away 3/4. So first of all, come over here and grab a pencil or marker, okay? And what I write into this Jamboard, I want you to do the same, okay? So remember, the golden rule when it comes to fractions is in order to subtract fractions, you have to have common denominators. And notice our denominators are 10 and 4. So our least common denominator is going to be our least common multiple. So the least common multiple of 10 and 4 is 20. So let's put a 20 right inside each of the denominators. All right. Now that we have common denominators, we have to change the numerators so that these fractions are equal. So remember, the rule is when I say 10 times 2 is 20, I have to multiply the numerator by the same factor. So 9 times 2 is going to be 18. So 18 twentieths is the same as 9/10. And then to go from 4 to 20, I had to multiply it by 5. So I'm going to multiply the 3 by 5. And 3 times 5 is 15. All right. So finally, now that we have common denominators, now we can subtract the numerators. Okay, so I'm going to put the 18 in the blue box. And I'm going to put the 15 in the green box. And notice our denominator is the same, right? Now it's 20. And 18 take away 15 is going to be 3. And it's going to be 3/20. And that's your answer.